The order of adjectives. Grammar lesson. Have you ever wondered why we say, a beautiful big old castle, instead of an old big beautiful castle? English adjectives follow a specific order that makes sentences sound natural. In this video, we break down the order of adjectives. Let's dive in. Firstly, several determiners can be used with adjectives to modify a noun more precisely. Here are the main types that commonly pair with adjectives. Feel free to pause the video to read the examples. Articles. A, an, the. Demonstratives. This, that, these, those. Possessives. My, your, his, her, its, our, their, whose. Quantifiers. Some, any, no, few, little, much, many, several, enough, all, both, half, each, every. Numbers 1, 2, 3. Or ordinals like first, second, and third. Distributives. Each, every, either, neither. And difference words. Other or another. Let's kick off the order of adjectives. The first adjective in the order of adjectives is opinion, which describes the quality or feeling about a noun. For example, a delicious ice cream and a frightening ghost. The second adjective in the order of adjectives is size, which describes how big or small the noun is. For example, 2 huge spiders and my tiny toddler. The third adjective is age, which describes how old or new the noun is. For example, this antique vase and second-hand boots. The fourth adjective is shape, which describes the form or outline of the noun. A round orange and his triangular sandwich. The fifth adjective is condition, which describes the state or quality of the noun. Another dirty van and that fragile man. The sixth adjective is colour, which describes the hue or shade of the noun. Those yellow shoes and your silver spoon. The seventh adjective is origin, which describes where the noun comes from. An Argentine tango and the Canadian flag. The eighth adjective is material, which describes what the noun is made of. Tom's silk suit and our ceramic toilet. And finally, the ninth adjective is purpose, which describes what the noun is used for. My cleaning bucket and a reading light. So, to recap. When describing something, there is an order adjectives should follow. We don't use them all at once, a few is enough. Let's end the lesson with a few examples. An enormous old African elephant. A tiny fluffy yellow chick. A crazy plump English space scientist. And finally, a cute little arched wooden cabin. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar lessons.